from our department and from the Me Seva services. We have just launched the Me Seva services on WhatsApp. About 580 odd services we have put it on WhatsApp, and this is specifically designed by our Me Seva team. You know, the objective and intention of our government is to give the services, delivery of the services to the people in a very, very easy and a faster way. And you know, our ESD team and IT, E&C department introducing this sort of services on WhatsApp is definitely going to create a revolution. Access to all the sevas or all the services to the public, which we are trying to put it across on the WhatsApp platform, collaborating with the different technology partners and with Meta. Basic objective is to create a change in individual life of a citizen. And we are putting it just in a more simpler way, that the governance at the citizens' fingertips. We are going to make our government more accountable, more responsive, more smarter, and ultimately, you know, this we would like to focus as an inclusive government where we take every class, every sector of our society on the same platform and deliver the services required, demanded by the individuals or the people of our Telangana in a much smarter and speedier way. Over the past 8 to 9 years, when, you know, TRS was governing the state, to give a grievance to the government by the people was also not there. It was out of reach for a common man. Now, for their redressal of the grievances, one, we have come up with a Prajavani. In the Praja Bhavan, at the state level, we do take the grievances of each and every individual twice a week. And at the district level, every Monday, you have the grievances to be redressed, and that will be taken by the collector or the district magistrate here. So this shows, you know, our basic motive to deliver the services, and we know that we are accountable to the people. And that's how we conceive our governance, and we always take governance is for the people, and with the people, and by the people. So we do take the democratic spirit into aspect in terms of administration and trying to deliver the services the same way.
Sir, public data no misuse chesi.
Commission has observed. Definitely we will try to put an inquiry into that and see that, you know, public data can't be shared just like that. So we would be inquiring about what Election Commission has said. We will go deeply down into it, and we will also take action as per the rules. Thank you, sir.